Oh, oh. Okay, okay, okay. Ah, 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 ah. Okay. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. Where is Dembele? I am asking for Dembele. Guys, where is their Doue? Where is their Kvaratskhelia? Where is their Vitinha? Where is their Joan Neves? And where is their Fabian Ruiz? Where is Luis Enrique himself? I am asking this simple question. Did Chelsea play a football final today? Did Chelsea play a football game today? Guys, how? They just gifted the trophy to Chelsea. We didn't play any game. Or Chelsea play against Burnley. Or Chelsea play against Sunderland. Guys, Chelsea is now the best team in the world. Chelsea is the best team in the world. I told you here, ladies and gentlemen, that Chelsea, we are bringing the trophy to London. Enzo Maresca first season, 2 trophies. 2 trophies, 1 European trophy, 1 World Cup trophy, Club World Cup trophy. See, this PSG team is calm, pure calm. See, this PSG team is really from the Farmers League. I told you that, see, PSG is dead. Some people think I was being delusional. Someone told me that Richmond, stop being delusional. See, I know my Chelsea. I know the Chelsea I'm supporting. I make sure that Chelsea, I win when it matters. No. When it matters. See, Chelsea, we may have 1,000 problems in this war, but beating PSG is never one of them. We may have billions upon billions upon billion problems in this war. Beating PSG, stopping this camp PSG. See, Chelsea wasn't last season, this season Champions League. That is the reason why this PSG team won the Champions League. Yes, they were lucky. Chelsea, we didn't qualify. They were lucky. The PSG that beat Liverpool, the PSG that beat Man City, Inter Milan, Inter Miami, Arsenal, everybody, Real Madrid, everybody. Chelsea, we came and stopped them. And do you even know what I like about this game? See, we humbled them. It isn't that this game, Chelsea win by officiating support. The referee was bad in this game. The officiating was poor against Chelsea. So Chelsea, see, we won this game and see, humble them. Show the world that PSG is a scam. I keep on telling you that this PSG team is overrated. This PSG team is overrated. They haven't meet their meters. Today they meet their meters. Today we show them where the power lies. PSG is a small team. Won't come to against Chelsea. Won't come to Arsenal. PSG is a big team. Won't come to Liverpool or Man City or Real Madrid. PSG is a big team, but won't come to Chelsea. PSG is a small team. I told you that Caicedo is going to conquer the midfield in this game. We saw it. See, this game I didn't even see the best from Caicedo, but just the little average performance I saw today from Caicedo, he made sure that little performance conquered Vitinha. Well, see, I was asking myself, where's Dembele? Where's Doue? Where's Kvaratskhelia? To some extent, the last time, the only time I saw Kvaratskhelia in this, when they were substituting him out, I'm telling you, see, guys, this our Chelsea team. The future is bright. This our Chelsea team. Next season we can do something with that winning mentality. Next season Chelsea can win the Champions League. Chelsea can win the Premier League. Chelsea can win any trophy that we are going to participate next season. See, guys, Chelsea is back. The Chelsea that we used to know, we are back. We are back. See, guys, João Pedro already paid his 60 million. I said it already. João Pedro, see, he even overpay. He even overpay. The last game that he scored, brace, we collected 22 million. This game, almost 80 million. João Pedro, look at the goal, striking goal. Look at the chipping. Look at the... Charlie, God will bless the person who came out with the idea of signing João Pedro. See, God will bless any scout, any sporting director, any owner, and even a fan who supported this signing. God will bless you. See, God will bless your family. God will bless your entire generation. João Pedro, Diogo Costa, Drogba. See, I can see all these two strikers in João Pedro. I can see all these two strikers in João Pedro. See, I was asking myself, where is that PSG? Like the PSG who beat Atletico Madrid and go 4-0 and go. Like when up to now I can't believe that I play against PSG, guys. Up to now I can't believe that I really play against PSG who beat Arsenal, Man City and Real Madrid combined. Like we didn't just won this game. Like we made them dysfunction. Like we made them look foolish, useless. Like we stopped them. See, all their guns, all their everything, we stop it. They wins the midfield, what and what. And Cole Palmer exposed Donnarumma. Donnarumma is overrated. Donnarumma is not a good goalkeeper. Sanchez is better than Donnarumma. Sanchez had a clean sheet in this game. See, Donnarumma, we are paying him back. The season he robbed Edouard Mendy 2021 and won the goalkeeping Ballon d'Or. Today, Cole Palmer exposed Donnarumma. Donnarumma is a scam. It's a pure scam. Donnarumma is an average coach, guys. See, I'm coming out with another video. This video is all about this game, like the excitement, like what Chelsea showed to the world. See, the world was doubting Chelsea. I keep on saying it every day that anytime that Chelsea is underdogs, we always show. Anytime that Chelsea, the world didn't believe us, we always make sure that we prevail this game. That is what we did. That is what we did, guys. Another video is coming about this game. This video is just, yes, to express ourselves, to tickle ourselves to the world and show that we are Chelsea. There is a reason why we are supporting Chelsea. We are not supporting Chelsea for supporting sake. We are supporting Chelsea because Chelsea fans, we are winners. We are supporting Chelsea because Chelsea fans, see, we win when it matters. Chelsea, we don't play final, we win finals. Chelsea, see, we make sure that we go to final and win it. And win it. I know. Some people will come out with another excuses. When we won the conference, they said it is a conference. Now, Club World Cup, everybody was there. Almost all the European teams, Man City, Real Madrid, Atletico Madrid, PSG themselves. See, we even beat European champions. Those who won the champions last season, Chelsea will beat them 3-0, clean sheet. Oh, God will bless Chelsea. God will see. I am very happy. See, I thank God. See, whoever came out with the idea, okay, rich man, support Chelsea. I thank God. See, I'm even asking myself, those who are not Chelsea fans, now how are they getting their happiness? Like, where are they getting their happiness from? Because currently, Chelsea fans, we are the only happiest people in this world. We are winning everything. Within some short month, 3 to 4 months, 2 finals, won all of them. Chelsea is the first club the president of United States declared a trophy to. I never see it in my whole life when I started watching football. Chelsea is the first club a president of the United States, 50th state United States, Donald Trump delivered a trophy to. What a record, what a history, what a history. The first team to win the first ever role model, yes, Club World Cup, Chelsea. See, guys, Enzo Maresca, I'm going to have a separate video for him. Enzo Maresca just tactical masterclass. Enzo Maresca just pocketed. Enzo Maresca just got Luis Enrique in this game. Chelsea won this game from the tactics of Enzo Maresca. Chelsea won this game from the lineup. Chelsea won this game from the dressing room, not from the pitch or on the pitch. Chelsea won this game from the starting of the way we stopped Dembele, their wins, Doue and Co. We pocketed them in the midfield. Caicedo pocketed them. João Pedro, Cole Palmer exposed. Hey, Charlie. Another video is coming. Please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button. For this video to read more Chelsea fans on YouTube algorithm, take care, peace.